welcome back with my channel. Alright, wow, this is a little bit of a tour about the Dutch colonial when in 1942 came to attack in Aceh at the time with 3 people in Mujahidin Aceh. His name is Ahmad, and then second name is Ismail, and second name is Ibrahim. Imagine that. Chinese people are very stronger when after the Dutch went out, and then when go on, and then the Japanese army came here and then shoulder attack us. But at the time, Chinese people totally very strong, and then people from Japan, over in Japan, but I have no idea in Japan. I can't read that, but don't worry about that. Maybe we can memorizing about the people who was died at the time in 2 February in 1942. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my video and then like my video. Alright, that's all for now.